Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 14, 2026 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong January 14, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, January 14, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 14, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the Tunas jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, January 14, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of January 14, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.